have a very tiny chip over here, but my OCD drives me insane, so we're gonna fix it. Hey guys, it's Alexa here. Dr. ColorChip is a client of ours, and they were nice enough to hand over one of their DIY kits. We've been working with them for about 3 to 4 years now, and we haven't done this yet, but we've made so many videos for them. So Tony challenged me if I could do this in 5 minutes or less, and I'm gonna take his challenge. We have a very tiny chip over here, but my OCD drives me insane, so we're gonna fix it. All right, so we're gonna open up our kit and see what's inside. We have a microfiber towel, a glove, our Seal Act, a squeegee, some brushes, and my paint, and another towel. First step is to clean off the area of your chip with some alcohol. So we're gonna get nice and low and just clean this up a little bit. And here is our chip. We're gonna put on our fancy glove that Dr. ColorChip gives us. We're gonna open up this little pack. We're gonna take out our paint and a brush. Shake up our paint. We're gonna dip our brush into the paint. And we're just gonna dab. And one more for good measure. Right on top. And I'm just gonna smear it with my finger. It's been a couple minutes drying in the sun, so now we're gonna take our Seal Act and our cleaning cloth. We're gonna shake it up. Add a nice amount to our towel. And we're just gonna wipe this nice and easy back and forth. Not too much pressure.
So like that. Beastin'.
Then we're gonna take our microfiber towel and just buff it out.
Bang.
Good as new. Tony, I beat your challenge. I did this in 5 minutes. It is so easy. There's 3 steps, and if a little girly like me can do it, anybody can. Check out drcolorchip.com, get your paint code, and fix your chips.